guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sini. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I moisturize and how I maintain my knotless braids. So if this is something that you'd like to see, stay tuned to this video. So I've had these knotless braids in for about a month now. It's actually exactly a month today, and I've only had to wash them once. I think I washed them about 3 weeks into the installation. And so far I just moisturize my hair and I keep it covered when I'm indoors as well, in order to prevent frizz. So what I've been using to moisturize my hair is this product. It's the Afro Botanics Aloe Sheer Juice. So I've been using that on the length of my braids as a moisturizer, and it is so this is the consistency of the product. It's a creamy hairspray, and that is what I've been using on the length of my braids for moisture. So I'm just going to show you what I do whenever I moisturize my knotless braids. So what I've actually done is I've just decanted the spray into my spritz bottle. It's just much more easier for me to spritz on my hair because I lose grip on this. What I usually do is I don't actually spray directly onto my hair because I don't want to get this product onto my scalp. So what I do is this, I'll just spray about this much. I rub it into my hands, then I proceed to squeeze it into my braids like so. I don't spray this onto my scalp because I don't use any like creamy products onto my scalp, except something that's literally water or something that is water based with no creamy products and whatnot. So over here I've got my hairspray, which I use mainly on my scalp. So what I did was to boil a cup of hot water like you're making tea. Then into that I infused 1 tablespoon of hibiscus leaves, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, and I also added some aloe vera juice as well to this when it had cooled. There's something else, oh yes, and also a tablespoon of stinging nettle as well. So I just shake this up. You can also add some essential oil like rosemary, lavender, and tea tree oil as well to this mix for added hair growth benefit. So this is basically my routine for maintaining moisture in my hair. And then another thing about the knotless braids is I was initially hesitant on getting these because I kept on hearing that they don't last, they get very frizzy very quick. So I'm going to get a bit closer to the camera and show you what frizz I do have and what you can do to minimize frizz on your knotless braids. So as you can see, I do have a little bit of frizz. I really don't think it's bad at all. I was expecting my braids to look super old within 3 weeks or 4 weeks, and it's really not the case for me. So if you want to combat any frizz that you do have with your knotless braids or any type of braids actually, you can use the olive oil ORS hair wrap mousse. So you don't need a lot, and another thing is I don't apply any to the nape area or the back of the braids inside because nobody's gonna see it, right? So just take a a bit of mousse. Let me take more. Then you just smooth that down onto your braids. I'm really not taking a lot of the mousse, just enough just to lay the top down. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to come closer to the camera and show you what the braids look like after applying the mousse. So then after applying the mousse, I'm just going to take my silk scarf and I'm going to wrap that around my head. You can just position your hair the way that you want it to lie. So let's do a side part today. So then you'll just use your silk scarf around your hair, and then it will just also like help tame the frizz some more as well after applying the mousse. And then that's about it. And then that's about it in terms of laying down your frizz with the mousse. It works really well. So then you can use the mousse on days that you're going out or something like that. But honestly, like when I'm around the house, I don't bother at all. I just make sure that my scalp is moisturized and the length of my braids is moisturized as well. And then also for night maintenance as well, once again, I just use my satin scarf when I go to bed. When I'm lying down on the sofa watching Netflix or a movie, I keep my braids wrapped up as well. What you can also do is use a hair bonnet. I've got this one, I really like it. It's got adjustable strings, strings or whatever. It's elastic and it's adjustable like that, so it's not too tight. You can make it as secure as you want to around your head as well. I can quickly show you. If I'm using my hair bonnet, same thing. I just adjust these straps and get my braids in here. Get my braids in here. There you go, also ready for bed or just hanging around the house. So this is how I maintain my knotless braids. I hope that this helps you out and I gave you enough information on this. And if you do enjoy this video and you like the videos that I do post on my channels, please don't forget to like, comment and to subscribe on my channel. All the likes I get on my videos do help my channel immensely. It tells YouTube that you're interested in these videos and I'll get to share more videos with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.